The moon is me, my body, health, and family.
The moon is connected to my emotion. The moon is connected to my emotions.
The moon is how I respond and react. Intuitive feelings, absorbing the facts. The moon is me.
What's going on, good people? It's your boy Eric Taylor. Taylor to Astrology. Back in the house, back out the house. Today I'm continuing my Secrets of the Moon Sign series. And this is Libra Moon Sign Secrets. Yes, Libra the scales. Cardinal. Cardinal air sign associated with the 7th house, ruled by the planet Venus. So let's talk about the moon, talk about Libra, and let you know some secrets, because you need to know this, right? So what is the moon? Well, of course, you know, the moon is your feelings, your emotions, the mind, how the mind emotionally responds and reacts, right? It's your sensitivities, your intuition, your roots, your ancestors. Yeah, kind of like the DNA. Some say you may have been a Libra sun sign in a past life if you have this Libra moon. Okay? It is also your body, your health, the family that you make and create. And we can't forget Mom Dukes. Of course, this is your mother. Okay? So what's Libra? Libra the scales, the cardinal air sign, second air sign. Ruled by Venus, right? Libra is all about partnerships, relationships, the marketplace, contracts, negotiations, right? Seeking the balance, peace, harmony, fairness, justice, right? Libra is all about aesthetics, finding things beautiful, designing, planning, partnership, relationships, marriage, love, arts, creativity, making things beautiful, right? Venus loves being at home in Libra. That's its, first home. Taurus is like the vacation home. So when you're looking at this and you're looking, really to see kind of more information about your mother, you want to see where Venus is in the natal birth chart. This is why you hit me up, tailored2coaching@gmail.com. So you can get the birth chizzy. I got the sale, right, to December 31st, 2022, midnight, the 31st. You want to take advantage of this sale. Great deals. So you can unlock this ancient wisdom and get a birth chart showing you the map of your life. Very important. Muy importante. So, you guys with this Libra moon, for you emotionally feel at peace when you're in partnerships and relationships, right? It's not always about marriage and just pure love, but it's even good friends, family, doing things with people, events, going shopping, going to concerts, planning things. Libra moon people, they can be great as teachers, art teacher, music teacher, interior decorators, designers, wedding planners, event planners, social workers, lawyers, right? Very charming. Even the men. And I'm not just talking about women. Libra moon, guys, girls, right? In relationships and partnerships, the women are going to truly desire that opposite, the Aries moon energy. Someone that's more athletic and assertive and aggressive, because the Libra moon is like, let's chill. They're like Guy, R&B. They're like, let's chill. Let's Netflix and chill. So they want the more assertive, athletic, someone that's aggressive and assertive that can protect them. Because they're more like chill and artsy and beauty and pleasure and fragrances and scents and colors. Now the Libra moon, even for the men, right? You're going to want a woman that's more type A, more assertive, independent, businesswoman. She might play sports. She's like, going to get it. Now, a Libra moon, male or female, can go well with the Aries, the Leo, the Sag, the Gemini, Aquarius. Sometimes even a Taurus moon, okay? Just in terms of relationships. And Libra moons, they love massages. They love to cuddle. The Libra moon women, lower back massage. Massage the buttocks. Massage the butt, right? Sort of the erogenous zone. There is this really serene, peaceful, chill energy about them. Now, the men and women are going to be very charming, very pleasant, very relatable, right? Because it is harmonious. We're talking Venus here, people. They don't like to be like all pushing people away and aggressive, right? They're not pushovers. We're not talking about Libra suns. That's a little different energy. We're talking about the moon. And your mother, she may have been the teacher, the social worker, the lawyer. She always knew how to hustle and bargain and, get the great deal. Libra mom was always, trying to bring peace in the home. She was pretty cool and just chill. Sometimes she might have been a little passive aggressive depending on her sun sign. But you want to see where the Venus is in the birth chart, and that's going to tell more of the story of your mother. Okay? This Libra moon is going to be different in different houses. That's why you want to hit me up, right? So you know the birth chart and understand. Libra moon in the first house, super artistic and creative. This is really the clothing designer, the interior decorator, right? Fashion designer. These Libra moon men, dressed to the nines, crazy sharp. People always coming to them. They got like mad options, dating many women till they settle down. The Libra moon likes harmony in relationships. They're not trying to argue and fight and this and that, okay? They're really not. I find the Libra moon won't settle though. They're not gonna really find that inner peace in an unbalanced marriage or relationship. They don't want that. That's not what they desire, so they'd rather be solo and just have a bunch of friends. You know what I mean? Seriously, because when they bestow their love, male or female, upon you, it's gonna be like a wave, like a big bubble bath of love, okay? And yes, they will love to pamper you and to pamper themselves with nice smelling things, nice fabrics. The Libra moon house, their bed is super comfortable, their sheets and all that stuff. And they love decorating. They will decorate the heck out of a home and plan the best party. You'd have to see the rest of the chart, but just in general, just as the Libra moon. We don't know what's conjuncted, if it's next to Pluto or Saturn or the Sun or Mars. This is just the Libra moon, and then you have to see what house it's in. Okay? The Libra moon in the fourth house, a man, he might be not only an interior designer, he could be an architect. The Libra moon in the 10th house could really work in healthcare, social care. In the third house, they might be the school teacher. Ninth house, they could be like the stewardess or the college professor that's like crazy cool. That teaches like art history. You get it? But they do have money on their mind. Now, they're not looking to marry for money. They're looking to marry to like, ooh, that's a handsome gentleman. Or, oh my God, look at that lady. Look at her body and blah, 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 blah. They're drawing you out, Jessica Rabbit, the Libra moon is looking at the aesthetic of the design of the human. I'm not saying that they're not spiritual, but they're just like kind of looking more at how you present and how you look. Libra moons, they tend to like their women and men well-dressed, very clean-cut, sharp, eloquent with their words, okay? Um, but after they see all that, then they're just like, because they're going to be focused on money, but it's it's not in any materialistic way. They want their basic needs and values met, but they're like into the senses, the five senses, and relating. Very charming and smooth. You'll see them coming. They know how to, and they hit you with that little smile and hi. Yeah, Libra moons are dope. Great friends. You got a Libra moon as a friend, you don't disrespect them or anything, they'll be your friend for life. They got your back, okay? So sorry for some of this, outside noise, but it's fitting to do the moon series outside in nature, right? Hopefully in the cold autumn nights as we get ready for the winter solstice, the plants are still growing because of the moon, right? So, yeah, Libra moon. It's fitting. Libra moon's coming up this weekend, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday in December as I'm filming this in 2022. Just for you, Libra moon, you know how I do. But please, take advantage of the birth chart sale. Join the Patreon, the Facebook group, Tailored to Coaching. Come check me out. Follow me on Instagram. I'm about to start getting back to doing some Instagram lives. Probably one this weekend. And yeah, Libra moon. Smile. I know you like to smile, Libra moon. And they do enjoy music and culture. They're very smooth, and they appreciate good paintings, good music, good food, style, fashion. They're smooth like butter, baby. Okay? So, let me see if I got any more secrets for you. I told you about the little massage thing. The Libra moon men, ladies, you get them a nice suit and tie and compliment them on, like, the Libra moon men. They're gonna, they'll take care of their hands. They'll be lotioned well. They usually will have, make sure their edge up and shape up is good. Even if they got like the full long beard, it's still gonna look nice. They'll oil their beard. Okay? So appreciate that, ladies. Let them verbally know. And yeah. Overall, very charming, harmonious, peaceful people. Remember, the Libra moon is still always seeking relationships and seeking balance. And I'm seeking like crazy airplane noise and the birds and people making noise, but that's all good. It's Eric Taylor, Tailored to Astrology. It's all good. All right? So thank you, Libra moon. Thank you for your patience. They can be very patient too, and they're great listeners. There you go. Here's the final secret. Libra moons, they hear and comprehend whatever you tell them and what you say. But don't be lying to them, they'll catch it. Shouldn't lie to anybody. Don't lie to a Libra moon. Just be firm and direct. They actually appreciate people that are more direct and firm. Not overly harsh, but just direct, truthful, honest. All right, but yeah, the TikTok and the IG, Tailored to Astrology. All right, y'all. Peace. Yes, that's the key word for Libra moon. Peace. Bye, Libra moon. Later.
The moon is connected to my emotion. The moon is connected to